Good morning, everyone. We are at the Austin International Airport. We are headed for Seattle, where we are heading to Alaska, doing an Alaska cruise. And we have the whole gang here today. We have Sam, and we have Darlene, and up front we have the teens and the Gabs. I cannot tell you how excited we are about this trip. We booked this trip over a year ago, and it finally is here. We're going to go over some of the things you have to do in order to be ready for this trip, like the ArriveCAN app and making sure you do your COVID test and all that good stuff. But we're here and we're excited. It's a 7-day cruise from Seattle with 4 stops. We're going to have a good time. Let's get on our plane. We are in Terminal 3 and we're at 15, or Gate 3, yeah, excuse me, Gate 3. And we are at Terminal 15. So this is going to be the new section of the airport. Not much open at 4 o'clock in the morning though, 5 o'clock in the morning. So here is the imaginary departure area. You can go to Fraggle Rock, it's on time. The metaverse. How cute is that? So here's the new side of Austin Airport. It's just been opened. It's really cool down here. They have a dog poop area over there. Oh, you can take your dogs and go potties. How cool that is. So here's the pet relief area. Go potty in there. They got a fake fire hydrant, so you can go potties. Encourage them.
Alrighty, y'all, we are about to get on. We're a little bit behind time, but they say we're still gonna make it in okay. Or make it in early, let's put it like that.
Do what?
I've never been on an Alaska Air.
I know. Alrighty, y'all, here we go. We are on. Walking to our plane. Christina and I were lucky enough to get first class today. So we have a nice comfortable ride. I think the ride is like 4 hours and 26 minutes or something like that. So, and we get a breakfast, which is nice. Never flown Alaska.
So here's the leg room. It's a lot of leg room here. See, they got these nice footrests here, and you got a place to put your iPad or your phone. Got some drink holders here. I don't know what this button's for. I don't want to push it though. We also have little charging station. It's pretty nice. It has a really roomy feel. Lots of space. Here's our meal. Look at this. Got a poblano egg omelet. This has got a little sausage in there, some peppers. Got a little fruit tray right there with some oranges and some grapes and apples. And then we got a little roll. This does not look half bad. Tina got the same thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, this looks really good. So I'm kind of digging the meal. It's nice and hot. The eggs, they're pretty good. I know I haven't gotten there yet. Yeah, you can see they got some corn in there, cheese. It looks really good.
Yeah, it looks good.
It tastes good, and it's really warm. So I'm kind of impressed. I haven't had a meal in an airplane in quite some time. The bun is nice and warm, and it's cranberry. It's a cranberry bun.
We are in Seattle. Look at this. We gotta wait for the girls. It was awesome. But the trip to here was good. I would not say that it is better than Delta first class, but it was a nice ride. Very smooth ride. So girls, how was the trip over? How was comfort seating?
I slept the entire time.
We did have a lot of leg room. Yeah, that was real nice.
Yeah.
It was a 3-row difference. How did that feel? How did that price difference feel for those 3 rows?
I felt good because me and Tina were sitting up there. We were Just chilling. What was it?
So,
The
yeah.
only thing that they had to divide us was a curtain.
A curtain.
A curtain.
A curtain rod.
Yeah, and I texted Gabby to stay behind that curtain, and it never got to her.
Oh, well, of course. You're on airplane mode.
We gotta go to D.
So we've had a snafu in our trip here. Our transportation was scheduled to come at 8:25 p.m. as opposed to 8:25 a.m. So I called the Ace Transportation up, and the guy was absolutely incredible. He immediately sent me another vehicle out here, and he's going to take us down to the Hyatt downtown. So that worked out well. But there was, I know I gave my flight number to the person that was doing the registration at the Hyatt. And he said they didn't put the flight number down or he would have caught it. But anyway, it's still all good. We're still going to get there. We have the whole day. It's literally 8:37 here in Seattle. So we'll have the whole day to kind of have a good time. We got to our hotel at 9 o'clock in the morning, and they don't have any rooms available for us, and they said to come back at 3, so we have to burn 6 hours now for the day until our room's ready. So we're gonna eat at the Tavern 5 Point Cafe here. It's one of the few places that's open. It has a 30-minute wait, so we're gonna wait to get in here and then get some food. So their buses here are hooked on these electric lines. You can see the electric trolley there. They're zero emissions. That's really interesting. And we are seated now, and they have a expansive menu. Look at all the brunch foods they got. Brunch meals. They have just your omelets and cereals, your classics like French toast. Then you can build your own omelets. And then they have eggs Benedict and pancakes. And then over here they got breakfast specials, some sides. But I'm gonna go with the 5 Point burger. It's got starter pound of ground beef and Swiss cheddar or pepper jack.
Yeah, I'm just gonna eat the same one.
They're delicious. As we are waiting for our food, we have a perfect view of the Space Needle.
So we can take this bus right here.
Forgot to record my burger. It's absolutely delicious. It's got some special sauce on it. Tater tots are hot and crispy. Pancakes are huge with sauce and
Peanut butter chocolate.
peanut butter chocolate with that chocolate sauce on there, and then there's some special maple syrup seasoning there.
Seasoning. It's
Then there's
pancakes.
potato pancakes.
Potato
There.
pancakes the best, I think, out of syrup.
Gabby got the Monte Cristo.
I got eggs, bacon, potatoes, and then also the chocolate chip pancakes.
As you can see, everybody's pretty much eating everybody else's food, so excellent breakfast. You can see that they got a sign here that's kind of interesting in the background. I'm not going to say it, but you can read it. Pike Place Market, and they have a lot of stuff. Look at these pictures. These are gorgeous. So right across the street over there is the original Starbucks. And you can see the line is pretty long. Look at that.
Yeah, don't look down.
There is a lot of stuff going on here. Got some construction. Got that Ferris wheel going. Down there's both the baseball field and the football field for NFL and Major League Baseball. See, we got the cruise terminal there. Got a Marriott right next to the cruise terminal. Really pretty here. That dude right there is cute. I don't know what he is, but he's cute. Darlene thinks it's an ice cream cone.
I think so. Melting ice cream.
Melting ice cream cone. That's what we're gonna go with. Look at these. I love cherries. Look at these cherries. $5 for a half a cup. $10 for a 1 pound cup. We got Bing cherries and Rainier cherries. Wow. And look at all the beef jerky. You get 2 bags of beef jerky for 2 bags of beef jerky and 1 pound bag of beef pepperoni for $30. And that buffalo one, I bet she's good.
It's gonna be cash.
Tons of honey, tons of stuff. We got champagnes from the wine, or wines from the winery.
And there's like 20 people.
Oh, and now we're in the fish.
That's what I was doing.
Woo!
That's what I like.
Here's the fish market.
Look at those tails. Those look so good.
Lobster tails, $20
Oh
each.
my god, the scallops.
Oh my god.
That's so good.
Look at all this, y'all. Red shrimp, king crab, Alaskan king salmon. That's the real stuff. Sockeye salmon. And now we're hitting all the food places here. We got meats and seafood and cocktails. More cherries, y'all. More cherries. Look, see your chocolates. You wanted chocolates. There's all Washington grown nuts, energy nuts, exceptional chocolate. Oh, the what is that in there?
There you go. So where do you
Look at
guys
the produce.
So you know the weather we've had. So it has basically.
You can just
annihilated
smell the
trees.
freshness in here. It's crazy.
75% of the rain here is
It smells so good. Yes. Probably the raspberries are. Look at this. Clams, mussels, shrimp. Gulf shrimp. Where's the Gulf? Look at those. Crabs, king crab legs, field shrimp, cream cheese blueberry cup, yummy. Cookies, cowboy cookies, custard cinnamon. They're just making stuff up here. Custard coconut. Got cinnamon twist down there. Cherry buttermilk bar. Wow. Look at the Texas-sized donuts, darling.
Oh wow. Oh dang. Ain't as big as a Round Rock.
No, they're not as big as Round Rock donuts. So they have a wall in Seattle that is literally just people taking gum out of their mouth and putting it on a wall.
And everyone is throwing pictures.
And you can see. I found it rather disgusting. But some people want pictures taken with it.
Oh god.
Here, I gotta go out there and get pictures of it. So here's the gum wall. It's kind of disgusting, to be quite honest with you. I really would not want to touch anything in here. It's all over the ground.
Okay, I'm done.
Yeah. So on the second floor, downstairs, they have this giant shoes. It's the largest collection of giant shoes.
I got my degree.
So I gotta get in there and take a peek at this. Oh wow, look at that. There are some big shoes. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me really get in there close to it. There are big shoes in there. And no matter what side of the United States you're on, Mickey and Minnie are never far away.
Look how cute Jiminy Cricket.
I don't know if this picture does a justice to the slant that is on this hill. This is tough.
Are you okay? Are you okay, Annie?
Sam is blasted up the mountain. And here comes Darlene. She needs more drink.
30 minutes later.
She got to power up the hill. Alrighty, good morning everyone. Was really exhausted last night, so did not do any recording. Just too tired. But we did have a nice day here. Our room is very clean. Do what?
Not now.
Well, no, it was clean. But we had pizza last night. We went right across the street to a little pizza place. It was all right. Actually, the pizza place was called, you can see in here,
called A Pizza Mart. So it's right across the street from the Hyatt downtown here. But the room, it's that actually sofa. This sofa here turns into a sofa bed, which is kind of cool. But we didn't need it. But the girls stayed in the room, and I think they used a sofa bed. And then our bed was pretty comfortable. The AC worked really well. We had nice and cold in here last night, so we were able to sleep. And then the bathroom, there's no tub in the bathroom. It's just a shower. You can see. Let me turn the light on here for you so you can see. You see that the shower is just a nice big rainwater shower head, stand up shower, and then over here you have the mirrors and stuff. So it's just a basic room. We watched Naked and Afraid last night, which is kind of cool.
XL.
Yeah, XL. It was
Amazon.
yeah, it was kind of cool. We got all caught up on it, but I fell asleep to it. I fell asleep at like 6 because we had been up from yesterday from 1 to it was 1 a.m. Pacific time all the way to about 6 or 7 here. So I was just exhausted. So I fell asleep and I slept all night. So I feel really good today. I'm really excited to get the day started. We're going to the terminal at 10 a.m. So we'll get over there and then we'll get on the ship. We have everything pretty much done at this point. I just need to finish up getting my my stuff together here, and we might go down and just have a little breakfast. Tina's been needing some water because she's thirsty as could be, so we're gonna get some water. The room cost $209, so it wasn't bad, and I had paid for it like closer to the pandemic time. So I mean, I've had this room paid for about 8 months now, so so it wasn't really bad. Like I said, it was clean, which is like that's the most important thing to me, and the beds were comfortable. So all in all, it was a good stay. So I'm gonna end this vlog here, and then we'll start the new vlog here in a second. We'll close out yesterday's vlog, but oh, I didn't even show you the refrigerator too. They have a refrigerator in here. Actually, you did see the refrigerator because I put the pizza in there. So never mind. Yeah, I'm trying to get myself together here. So anyway, if you like this video and you want to follow our trip, please hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit the like button, do all what you do. We'll talk to you here in a few minutes. Remember, live problem free. We'll see you next time. Bye.